In today's video, I'm going to teach you a quick and effective method to import images into AutoCAD without losing references when the image is deleted. This is particularly useful for ensuring that your images stay intact within your drawings, even if the original files are no longer available or get moved from their location. Let's get started by locating the image you'd like to incorporate into your AutoCAD project. Once you've found the image you want to use, we'll utilize a very handy tool available on Windows to capture it. By pressing the combination of the Windows key, Shift and S, you'll activate the snipping tool. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to quickly create a screenshot of the image. As soon as you release the mouse button after selecting your area, it will automatically copy the captured portion to your clipboard. This method is a seamless way to prepare your image for embedding into your AutoCAD drawing. Now, let's integrate that image into your AutoCAD file. Simply switch over to your AutoCAD application where your drawing is open. Then, press Ctrl+V to paste the image from your clipboard directly into the drawing. Doing this embeds the image directly into your drawing, which is different from linking the image file itself. This means that the image will be part of your drawing's data, ensuring it will remain intact regardless of what happens to the original image file on your computer. To confirm this, we'll take a look at the external references within AutoCAD. Go to the Insert tab and open the External References palette. Here, you'll notice that the image you just pasted is not listed. This is great news because it tells us that the image has been embedded directly into the project file. Since the image is not appearing in the external references list, its data is stored within your drawing file itself, which means it won't disappear, even if the original image file is deleted or moved. By following these steps, you have now successfully embedded an image into your AutoCAD project, ensuring its availability for future use and preventing any loss of reference. This method is especially helpful when sharing your AutoCAD files with others or when working on projects over extended periods. Remember, the key advantage here is that you don't rely on external links to maintain the integrity of your images within your drawings. I hope this quick tip helps you to optimize your workflow in AutoCAD and safeguard your projects against data loss. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks to enhance your AutoCAD experience in our upcoming videos.